Before we do anything, we're going to turn the power off for the pump. We want the pump not running. If there's any shut-off valves, turn the shut-off valves. Make sure the system is off, because we're going to take the salt cell out and the water's just all going to come out of there. You might need a tool for this, but it goes one way in the pipe. So it's going to be counterclockwise, but not, it doesn't unscrew all the way. So just kind of like a quarter turn and then up and out. Unscrew your cord and then remove the salt cell. Get yourself a bucket. I put it about maybe 3/4 up these grates. And you can get, I'll link down below, cell cleaner, or you can use muriatic acid. Now if you use muriatic acid, you have to wear gloves, eye protection, wear everything, because look at the symbol. So you gotta be really careful. And you gotta watch the fumes, because as soon as this stuff hits the water, there's gonna be a vapor. So you gotta watch that. So you gotta wear a mask. Since everybody already has masks, well, it's not gonna work for those ones though. Until it gets up to the bottom of this. Just covering these grates inside there. You can pour your solution in here until you see water coming up through these grates. But if it's bubbling, wait till all the bubbling is gone. So leave it in as long as the bubble's gone. So right now it's not too bad. So you can leave it in there about 30 seconds and then. Now I always do this around the pool. We didn't put that much muriatic acid in there to affect the pH, because muriatic acid will drop pH. So we didn't use that much to drop it dramatically. To rinse it off. And then your solution here. And rinse it all out. Put it away, you can use this again. Like that. Same thing when you put it in. Even if you kind of just throw it in there, right? It doesn't sit right, so you just keep on turning until it falls in, and you just lock it, same place. And you can use a tool, same thing, you just clamp it like this. The tool I'm gonna link below, that you're gonna use on everything else. So you just have to undo it once, quarter turn, up and out. And like I said, you put it in anyway, just keep on turning until it falls in, and you can see if it's lined up. There's only one way anyway. There you go. And you plug it back in, start it up.